Yo, what up, Ivan? What up, what up, what up? My bad, bro. I'm starting up my fucking TikTok stream, but this shit is lagging. You guys are seeing the behind the scenes. Oh shit, let me turn that off. Ready to make the cheddar? Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Top of the morning, Skylar. Top of the morning. What's good, Chad? What's good? What's good? What's good? I don't understand why I can't see my Which is weird. Welcome in, chat. Welcome in. TikTok's finally normal. Yeah, it's been normal. I fixed it, chat. I fixed it. It's been normal. Welcome in, chat. Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in. How are you guys doing this fine afternoon, chat? All right, chat. Let's go over a little bit over bias. Let's go over. Wait, let me make sure I'm logged into my right accounts. What the fuck? Oh, this is tripping. Welcome in, chat. Welcome in. Welcome in. I'll be going over the bias. Give me just 1 second. I don't know why this is tripping. It wasn't giving me the option to log into my accounts. It's still not. What the fuck? Why can I not log in? Oh, there. There we go. 444. Boom. All right, there we go. We good, chat. We go. 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 We good. You're chilling, Ivan. You're chilling. What up, Drix? What up? What up? What up? Trader not working again? Nah, don't say that, chat. Is it actually not? I don't even wanna try and enter. If it's not, I'm just not even gonna enter. Is that true, chat? Thank you, Felix. Thank you. Love you, dude. Is it really not working? Yo, what up, chat? What up, what up, what up, what up? All right, let's go over the bias. On the daily time frame, what do we see, chat? A daily gap here that is still considerably holding. But Jordy, we've been so bullish. I understand, chat. I understand. But if price opened up here and automatically gave us a dump, This is considered considerably bearish. What do we have below that we can possibly target? This daily gap. If you go on the 4 hour, same thing, chat. Same thing. We're kind of getting a slow grind lower. Hopefully, market open is what we need to get that volatility, strong volatility kick lower. Like I said, if we are bullish though, we can get something like this: a sweep of this internal low, and then automatic rejections higher. Because a sweep of that low would also be us tapping into that rejection block, 4 hour rejection block. But yeah, I'm kind of going into the day not so strictly on the bias, because I want to be bearish considering what is currently going on with the market, but also considering the amount of bullish price action we've had for the past week and a half. I have to take that into consideration, chat. Wait, no, it has not been a week. I'm tripping. Kind of. Yeah, it's been a week and a half. All right, point is, we'll see what price wants to do off a market open, chat. I'm going into the day loose bias, meaning, what does that mean? I'm not strictly looking for longs. I'm not strictly looking for shorts. I'm simply letting price do its thing. If there's anything that I like, I will take. If there's nothing that I like, I will not take. One thing to consider though. Warm, creamy, cheesy. One thing I want us to consider, we do have a daily SMT. We do have a daily SMT, chat. Unless I'm tripping. I'm big tripping, chat. I'm big tripping. I don't know why. My ES was bugging out. Point is, chat, I'm going into the day loose bias. There's absolutely nothing that I see that can 100% convince me we're going lower. And there's nothing that can convince me that we're going higher. We'll see what market open gives us. What up, Colin? What up? Yeah, we'll see. We are getting a slow grind here lower on the higher time frame. This is a 15-minute time frame. So we'll see, chat. Our entry yesterday was here, bro. Insane, huh? We took it all the way up here. I took profit literally like at the most perfect spot too. Let's see what's up with YouTube. Robinho, what up? Drix, what up? You trade power of 3. I use that as a confluence, yeah. All right, market open. We gotta tap into that 15-minute gap. We'll see if this wants to dump. Gotta tap into that 15-minute gap. We'll see if this wants to dump now. If this wants to dump towards these, I believe these are Asia lows, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, if this wants to dump towards Asia lows, there will absolutely be a reason why it's dumping. Daily for rally gap below us. Yeah, I see that, chat. I see that. That's what if I'm bearish, that's what I would target. If I'm bearish, that's what I would target. We just gotta tap into that 15-minute though, so we'll see if price wants to inverse that or respect it. Quick roll call, chat. Are you guys bullish or bearish? Put a 1 in the chat if you're bullish. Put a 2 if you're bearish. Put a 3 if you are loose bias like me. Put a 1 if you're bullish. Put a 2 if you're bearish. Put a 3 if you are loose bias like me. Lots of 3s and 2s. Hella 3s and 2s. Not many 1s. I haven't seen a lot of bullish people. Okay. Damn. Hella 3s and 2s. We got one on the YouTube. 3, we don't even know what's going on. Damn, okay. Alright. I mean, shit, that's valid. That's valid, chat. We see what we get. We just reswept that first candle's high. We have yet to form our first presented fair value yet. What are you trading? This is NASDAQ, chat. NASDAQ. El NASDAQ. The big DAC. Alright. Mark this out. This might want to dump us towards those London lows. Like I said, if we get a dump towards those London lows, I mean towards those Asia lows, I'm definitely gonna look for longs from there. Because then ES would be tapping into another hourly. If ES goes a little bit lower, ES would be tapping into an untapped hourly gap. You know I love those, chat. You know I love those. When you entering? When I find my setup, chat. When I find my setup. Good morning, Amin. Good morning. Tradebait still bugging? Don't say that, bro. W Glasses, thank you, JS. Chat, is this just so bugging? I don't even want to try it, because then the same shit that happened yesterday is going to happen right now. Is Tradebait down? My trade secret would have told me something. It's not. Bet. Motherfucker's trying to bullshit me right now, chat. Sorry, that was a little too close to the mic. But yeah, we have that ace low. We'll see if we sweep it. So close. Ready to refresh your space for this? Oh my gosh. Boom. That low is now taken, chat. That low is now taken. Want to see that Judas swing? We'll see. We'll see if we get some reactions here. ES also took that low. ES tapped into its hourly gap. We'll see if this wants to continue lower for some reason. If it does, then we might just be wanting to go for this low. Going on a daily, we can, chat. We can. Going down to this low means we are tapping into this daily gap. If we could possibly find like a 5-minute retrace with a 1-minute inversion towards that low, it could be nice. It could possibly be nice. It could possibly be nice. Let me see what that daily gap has for ES. Oh, ES doesn't even have a daily gap. Oh, it does, but it's on a different day. What the hell? That's weird. We'll see. In order for me to enter this short, chat, I would have to see any higher time frame retracements, like a 5-minute or a 15, and then look for a 1-minute inversion to then target these lows. We've already dumped 130 points off of market open. Banked 800, taking those quick shorts. Nice, let's go, bro. Why are you so scary? Just enter. Follow back is crazy. Chase, you do price picks for a living, buddy. Sit your sorry ass down. Sorry, Chad. I'm on that timing today. You do price picks for a living, buddy. Calm down. Jordy on smoke? Not this morning, Chad. Not this morning is not the morning, Chad. I woke up still tired as shit from last night. It's all good though. He didn't mean it. He definitely did. About to take out previous new. Yeah, I see that, chat. We're about to take out previous day low. Tapping into that that Fair Value got too higher time frame gap. We'll see if that holds. But this candle is super strong though. Be careful, chat. Be careful. Damn, generational wealth was made on those shorts right now. That was a fat dump. We're going down without us. Said fuck retracement. I know. I know, bro. Don't do this now, bro. Don't just like wick or don't just tickle the Fair Value gap and not even tap it. Chat, if you guys are new here, do not forget to drop a follow. We are live every single day of the week. I'm talking Monday through Friday, chat. Morning and night. AM session and PM session. Yesterday's, AM session and Asia session. Yesterday's Asia session was amazing. Amazing. Also, do not forget to use code Jordy at checkout with every single firm, chat. Gives you guys the best discounts. Yes, tap hourly gap. I know that, chat. I know. I am aware. Jordy Gomez is aware. Water not helping? With what? Me being tired? Hell no. Started watching TGR Bootcamp yesterday. Oh. Is this for real? Is recap in the Discord? No, chat. No. I took... I'll show you guys what I took yesterday. I took... these lungs. What the fuck? Oh yeah, here. No, that was not my entry. My entry was down here. Oh, here they are. I took these long shot. If I'm not mistaken. And then I took them all the way towards this high. This was my trade yesterday. Bada bing, bada bang. Nice low trade. Oh, let's look in. Kind of just stagnant right here, chat. Not really doing much. Brother, stop drinking plastic water bottles. Invest in reverse osmosis water system. Chat, is that thing actually true? I've seen Luke Belmar and all them motherfuckers talk about it, but I don't know if it's true. Jordy, get your candle off my screen. This 5-minute candle. I was going to sleep then. It's around like $500. Really? I thought it was more, to be honest. Do you live stream also on YT? Yes, I am live on YT as well right now, chat. I'm looking at both chats, by the way. Looking at both chats. If equal lows on ES, chat, be careful with that. We just created equal lows with ES. Jordy versus loyalty test was peak. So fuck my trading, chat. Touch my standard deviation level. I'm expecting a retracement up. Damn, as soon as you say that, this shit dumps, bro. Appreciate all those follows, chat. Shadow, appreciate that follow. Atos, appreciate that follow. Hola, bro, ¿cómo estamos? ¿Todo bien o qué? ¿Todo bien o qué? We'll see what we get here, chat. We shall see what we get here. Trust is just a matter of time. I mean, bro, this shit is still dumping. All right, chat. Important. We just tapped that daily fair value gap. Now, do I think this is just absolutely just gonna reverse and then just inverse this fucking every single gap? No, chat, no. But it's important to note that we just swept some prominent lows. We tapped into a daily gap, and we'll see if we can get a reaction out of it. Simple. If we don't see a reaction out of it and we see a bigger dump, it might be a continuation type of day. What do we do on continuation type of days? Wait for higher time frame pullbacks to then retarget the low or the high that was just made. ¿Dónde vives actualmente? En Estados Unidos, California. Just made a ban off ES shorts. Let's go. Radar, appreciate that follow, bro. Thank you. What up, Bucks? What up? Welcome in. Chat, let's get me to 10,000 likes, chat. We're at 6K right now. If everybody double taps the screen twice, just twice, double tap, it gets me to 10,000, chat. Estoy en California, mano. Uf. Soy de Los Ángeles. Taking the trade? Not yet, chat. Place the trade on the 1 minute or on the 2 minute. Chat, nobody look at that video, please. How does Nas took out Asia in previous day low, but ES hasn't taken one out yet? Hold on, why is my indicator not on, bruh?
How far can an EV take you on one charge? It can take you everywhere. And
Sorry, chat.
Still have
ES did sweep Asia, chat. ES did sweep Asia. ES and did sweep Asia. Maybe it's short day. Yeah, we'll see. Might be generational longs. Think so. AIM almost done. I said, what are you saying? Time for Drake? No. It's way too early for Drake, chat. 12K. Damn. All right, chat. We'll see what we're getting here. So strong ass 15-minute candle. Holy shit. This is a 228-point candle. That is more than what Asia session moves in the entire session. Yeah, this bearish movement is pretty scary, chat. I don't really know if I want to target. We're tricky. This is tricky. This is very, very tricky. I don't know if I want to target a retracement and then look for lower lows, or if I want to look for a reversal here at the daily gap. But the daily gap is having trouble, man. I could take this off now. We're just dumping. I know, bro. Anyone that hopped in the shorts off that 15-minute gap tap off a market open, you guys are banking right now. How many points are these? 100 points. Chad, if this just dumps a little bit more and then we just kind of consolidate for a little bit, that's gonna be the session. Session's gonna be that, Chad. A dump and consolidation. That's it. That is exactly what happens. Mark my words. On days like this, This is what happens. Listen up. We get a dump. We get a quote unquote reversal, but it's not a reversal. We get like strong signs of bullishness. Then we just consolidate sideways. PM session comes around. Since we consolidated sideways for the rest of AM and lunch, PM session manipulates lower and then takes us higher. That is exactly what's going to happen. Consolidation, manipulation lower during PM, and then distribution higher. Mark my words. It just keeps going. I know, bro. Happened like that yesterday? Really? Yeah. These Jordy candles making me money. Hey, these are some big ass Jordy candles, chat. Yeah, we just swept this node too. Damn, I did not think we would come this low. We're getting some movement here. We'll see if this is just a pullback. What is ES doing? ES sweep any lows? Any SMTs? Nothing. Had 10 minis into what? It is looking like we might reverse. I mean, they're both kind of showing signs of reversal, but we'll see. We'll see. Chat, I do recommend to not take the first 1 minute inverse you see or the first 2 minute inverse you see. We are retracing into higher time frame gaps into 5 minutes. At any point in time, these 5 minutes can hold. Trade if you bugging, hell no. My shit is good. My shit is good. Shit is chilling. What's the other chat you reading? I'm reading TikTok and YouTube, bro. I'll soon try Fundus for the first time. Which firm and account would you recommend? Alpha Futures 0 50K or Lucid Pro 50K? How long have you been trading for? 3 years. 3 years. Should we look to a continuation lower to the 4-hour fair value gap? Here's the thing, chat. Here's the thing. We swept prominent lows, like I said. We're in that daily gap. We just swept more lows. So if we're getting a retracement here, as a trader, I don't know if this is going to be just a retracement back to this 5 minute to then create a new low, which can very much happen, but it's more improbable just because we already got that dump into that daily gap. We already swept prominent lows within that daily gap. So if price is truly bearish, we should have absolutely no reason running past this low and continuing lower. But if this was just some sort of fucking 300-point manipulation, which is rare, I don't think we'll get anything higher than a 300 point higher to the upside. Then we should start seeing some upside from here. We'll see. Let me mark out this daily, this 5 minute gap. See if we get any movement towards it. This is a 5 minute gap, chat. The 15 minute candle has not closed yet. It still has 8 minutes. So we'll see. And there are no news. News was at 8:30 today, not at Liam. I mean, not at 10. Same Lucid acting up, really? But I mean, chat, y'all don't even trade through the Lucid website. What do you need the Lucid website for? Do you ever sleep? Yes, bro. Yes. De esos 3 años, ¿a los cuántos años hiciste rentable? ¿Rentable cómo? ¿Como consistente? Como al año y medio, por ahí. 300 point manipulation. Yeah, that's insane. What time is it there? It's 6:51 a.m. where I'm from. 6:51 a.m. No Sabo? I'm not a No Sabo chat. What? News at 10? Dylan, I don't think we have any news, bro. When is the giveaway? Thursday. Today's Thursday? Oh, tomorrow. Chat, the giveaway's tomorrow. In order to enter the giveaway, you must be subbed to me on YT, chat. The YT is on my my TikTok story. I'm giving away 5 Apex accounts. Trump speaking at 10:30? Don't tell me that, bro. Why you not taking reversal or inverse so I can learn? Well, first of all, there was no inverse. There was no inverse. There was no inverse in this leg. But even if we would have got an inverse, I wouldn't take it just because we are taking an inverse into a leg that has higher time frame gaps above that can definitely stop me out. That's why. Trump speaking? Bro. Where are you guys seeing this? Where are you guys seeing this? Twitter? Jordan need like 55 USD to pass my account? Trade 1 micro, bro. Trade 1 micro. Don't try to trade a mini and get a small move and then exit, because that will fuck you up. Trade a micro. On FF. Oh my god. He speaks at 4:30, Chad. Y'all tripping. He speaks at 4:30. We got a resweep of this low. See if this has anything to do with any signs of reversal, or if not, we might just continuously dump. You take a trade today? No. Market's been open for 24 minutes, chat. I have not taken a trade today. Panache FX. Not all of us trade the same way you do. If order flow works for you, that's perfect. But that is why no one is trading with you, or like the way you are, because not everyone trades the same. Like my profile picture. No, bro. Copyright? Wait. Copyright what? Scalp 415 on that move. Let's go. Holy shit, bro. My chat is getting out of hand, bro. I cannot keep up with the chat no more, chat. I used to be able to read every single comment. Chat going for a trace bit? No, chat. No. Wait for price to do its thing. Chat, this is not financial advice, by the way. Any trade I take, anything like that, it's what I think is going to happen. If I take the trade, cool. I hope you guys are not taking the trade simply because I am taking it. I want you guys to learn the skill. That's why I tell you guys to ask any questions you guys may have about trading. I'm always willing to answer and help you guys out. I know, Luis. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Jetski, what up, bro? Chat, I'm not mainstream yet. I definitely don't think I'm mainstream. Mainstream is like your Benjamin SMCs, Shinobis, ZZ, Turbo, Eddie. They are mainstream. Celicors. No. Don't switch up on us, chat. Relax, bro. Relax. You guys act like I have fucking millions of followers and like a video blew up and I have like fucking hundreds of thousands of people in here. Relax, chat. But lately it has been going up by the day, yes. Too many gaps still holding. Didn't form a 3-minute gap. Chad, I kind of called this, no? I kind of called this. This is just going to give us like some sort of a fake out that we're going to reverse and then just consolidate. and then manipulate during PM, and then distribute during PM, and for the rest of the day. I kind of called this. How do you sign up for the giveaway, or is it just random? So for the giveaway, chat, what I'm going to be doing is I will be picking a winner from my YouTube comments. So I'm gonna need you guys to either, like, on Friday when it's time for the giveaway, you guys head over to YouTube, and I'm gonna tell you guys to comment a specific word. If you guys comment the word, you guys are in the giveaway. You're good. But yeah, and you typing the word 2-3 times, chat, isn't gonna give you an extra entry because I'm gonna filter that out. Continuation short, chat, to where? There's absolutely nothing here to take. Don't feel FOMO because we already got this huge dump and you didn't catch it, chat. We're fine, trust. Take a chill pill, relax. Sit back, let price do its thing. If we get an entry today, cool, perfect, we'll take it. If we don't get an entry today, cool, perfect, we don't trade. Not every single day is a trading day, chat. Come on. Only A+ setups, exactly. No, it's five Apex accounts, bro. It's 5 Apex accounts. Odds on you full port PPI tomorrow? PPI is ass, chat. PPI is not even full portable. Longs off the 4 hour unfilled. No way y'all think we need to dump this much. Y'all think so, chat? Fuck, man. If we dump all the way down here, this might suck. We'll see. Let me take these off in the meantime. Yes, that is a 4 hour order block. Is your Lucid Trading dashboard working? I don't know, chat. I haven't checked myself. Let me see. I know for some people it's not working, but chat, what are y'all needed for if you guys are already logged into your TraderVate? No, it's not working, chat. It's not loading. It's not loading. Did you see that game with Benfica and Madrid? Of course. Yesterday was an amazing day to be a Barca fan. It's your bench max? I have not benched in like 1.5 years, bro. Almost 2 years. But the last time I did it was 255. It's not optimal for chest growth, chat. 15 UCLs, that's all you guys can flex, bro. That shit is getting old now. 15 UCLs was your old team. They're gone. Focus on these new dumbasses that think every single player is a star. All right, let me chill, chat. What chart are you on? NQ, NASDAQ. NASDAQ smoking that motherfucking gas pack. Do you still trade gold? Yes. We were looking at gold and NQ yesterday, but we took the executions on NQ. Real Anatolico sold so hard. Yeah. Talk to him. I mean, chat. Come on, bro. That is all you guys say. You're holding on to the past, pa. Can't do that. Barca ain't even had Champions League since we had a home button. I mean, that's pretty funny, yeah. Back up on my funded. Let's go, Cruz. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, dude, these days are low-key annoying, chat. These days are annoying. Because, okay, I'll break the ice. I'll break the ice. Any trader is probably not going to tell you this because they want to keep you in their live. I'm going to keep it a buck. This might be, we probably won't even get a trade today. Yeah. I mean, I'm not comfortable shorting because we already dumped damn near 500 fucking points. And I'm not comfortable longing considering that we dumped that much. I mean, if I were to long, it would be something like a 1-to-1. It would be something really, really small. If we find something. Yeah, these shorts are generational, bro. Had 2 setups. Both played out, but didn't take one because of PA. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean? AUM is dumb, but I like to see no reason for it going lower. No, that's valid, bro. That's valid. That's valid. If you feel that way, that's valid. We're in a 4 hour for rally gap. Yeah, we did tap that 4 hour for rally gap, Chad. The one that I felt like we didn't need to tap, I guess we do. I guess we do. Damn, I thought we were clear for all-time highs, to be honest. But shit, it's a perfect chance to stack up on those long-term, chat. Buy those Teslas, buy those Apples, buy those Microsofts, buy those Googles, buy those Alphas, buy those Metas, buy all that, chat. Gold's dumping, is it? That's weird. Microsoft down almost 12% today. That's exactly why you buy it now. I'm kidding. This is not financial advice, chat. You guys do as you please. How to get so confident about the market, education, and if yes, what do you use to educate yourself? Well, fuck. Market experience is honestly what keeps me more confident here. If this would have been me a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, I would have been like, bro, why didn't I catch these shorts? I'm so dumb. I would have found like the most random setup and I would have been like, oh, I should have taken this and this and that. But nowadays, chat, I am okay with missing a setup. Why? Because I know we're possibly going to find another one. If not in that session, next session. And if not in that session, the next session. We are fine, chat. We are fine. What is the difference of you making $300 on that trade and making the $300 tomorrow? There's no difference. How to master trading psychology. Have a set of strict rules and be disciplined enough to follow them, chat. If you take a trade and you lose, perfect. That's all part of the game. No trader has an 100% win rate. But if my rule set is two losses, I'm done. One break even, one loss, I'm done. Maximum 2 trades per day. If I win, I'm off. You also got to realize that, chat, this trading shit is a skill you are learning that is a long-term, lifelong skill. No skill would be easy if you can execute it for the rest of your life. Chat, you could be 70, you could be 60. And you're like, you know what, fuck it. I'm gonna go take out my family for some nice dinner today. Let me trade today. Wake up, make a band, make 2 bands. Like, no other job in the world offers you that type of fucking option to just make that money real fast legally. You know what I'm saying? So you got to realize that the skill you're learning is a lifelong skill, a skill that can be used for fucking ever, because the stock market's not going anywhere. So if you're learning a skill that can be used for the rest of your life, do you really think it's going to come easy? Do you really think you'll be able to learn it in a couple days, in a couple months, maybe in a couple years? No, chat. No. Bro's inspirational. What if AI takes over? Chat, if AI takes over, every single person is going to be a millionaire off the stock market, and that's not possible. And that's not possible. We need losers to fill in our winners. What is your strategy? I trade ICT concepts. Any trades today? Not yet, chat. Not yet. Right on the day sucks a bit, but it is what it is. It's part of the game, bro. It's all part of the game. I'm a loser incognito. Why are you saying that? When you manipulated into the 5-minute gap at open, was that valid shorts or too early? I mean, the simple fact that you said at open is already too early for me. I think you're talking about the 15. I don't usually take trades this early unless the setup is already pretty much there pre-market. I took a trade that early. What was it? 4 days ago? 3 days ago? Yeah, I don't really take trades that early, bro. Personally, for me. Is selling right here crazy? I mean, that's up to you, bro. That is up to you. If you guys know about RSI is probably down as fuck right now, so I would not look for shorts here, personally. Tesla 8417. I don't know, bro. I just have my money in there and I'm letting it do its thing. I don't know. Selling right now is crazy. I know, bro. Yeah, you know what's up. Are we looking for longs or shorts? I mean, I'm looking for a rebalance, bro. I just want price to rebalance to a higher time frame gap. That's it. I don't even want to get an entry from it. I just want to see what type of price action we are going to get from that rebalance. A retrace to this 5-minute gap. That's it. Like I said, don't even give me an entry. I don't care. I just want to see what price wants to do off of that. Man, this kind of sucks. How much time did it take you to become profitable? A little over a year. Looking for nothing at the moment? Yeah, me either. There's nothing really much that I like. No continuation entries and no rebalance entries so far. Should I take 30-second inverse to the downside? Bro, you're taking a 30-second inverse to the downside after 420-point dump. That's up to you, bro. If you got the balls to do that, go ahead, but I wouldn't. Do you trade continuations or reversals? The model that I trade allows me to trade both. I trade both continuations and reversals. I trade reversals off of liquidity sweeps, and I trade continuations off of higher time frame gaps. I'm dropping sauce right now, Chad. I'm dropping sauce right now. Where is midnight open? I'm curious now. Where is midnight open? Midnight open's all the way up here. Yeah, we're pretty far from midnight open. About the daily range. It's a little above that line. Okay, I mean we'll see what we get here, chat. Drop the playlist, bro. Literally go on YouTube, search up Lo-Fi, and it's Lo-Fi Geek. He's live, and I'm just listening to the live version. No entries yet, chat. No entries. Chat, can one of my mods, if you guys are in here, type no entries and pin it? No entries yet and pin it, please. Please, 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 please. Let me send a super chat. What does that mean? What is a super chat? I'm confused. Oh, is that the TTS where like it talks to me? Are you hopping on PM? Definitely not. No. Thank you, Cisco. You're the GOAT. You're the GOAT. You're the GOAT. You're the GOAT. Just give me mods low key, bro. My mods are, the mods I got in here are lacking, bro. Daniel's not here. Elijah probably not even here. Yeah, I need to lock in with these mods, bro. Mommy Mud, Peyton, you might get mod, bro. You might get mod. You're definitely here most of the time. Actually, Peyton, I got you, bro. How to become your mod? Send me $5,000 Cash App now. I'm kidding. Wait, why can't I make you mod? Peyton, done. Lock in, Peyton, lock in. Where the market crashed, there's nothing on Forex Factory. It's just the stock market, chat. It's just the way the market moves. It's just the way the market moves. That too, chat. That too. Let me tell you guys something. I feel like every single move you guys see in the market, you guys feel like you have to know the reason why it happened. Chat, I have no idea why price opened and just completely give us a Jordy candle to the downside. I have no idea, and that's fine. Chat, you don't need to know every single thing about like what's going on. Obviously, it's good to know, but what benefit is it going to give me if I sit here on stream, do fucking extensive minutes or hours of research, just simply trying to find why we dumped? What is that gonna do for my trading? You guys worry about the wrong things, chat. Worry about the wrong things. Check out gold. Chat, why are you guys spamming it though? It's just a normal day with gold, chat. It's just a normal day with gold. Gold moves like this, chat. Gold moves like this. Now watch this reverse and create all-time highs again. It's just a regular day in the office. NQ, on the other hand, does not really move like this. Tapped into 5 minute. We did, chat, but I'm taking a 5 minute short. Taking a short here because we tapped into a 5 minute is like the biggest cope. Or like the whoa. Whoa, mark this with the meerkat. I just saw like a little animal on my screen. What the hell? Bro, why is everyone going crazy with the gifts today? Mark this with the rose. Jose with the roses. Jerry with the roses. La heart me. Mark this with the 80 roses. Damn, child. I'm eating steak tonight. Shit. Watch a book map on YouTube? No, sir. What are you trading? Nasdaq. Nasdaq smoking that motherfucking gas pack. Why a cope? Because that is the first retracement we're getting in this entire leg, and there's no inversion. There's probably a 30 second inversion, but I don't trade 30 second. No trades yet, Christian. No trades yet. Vukadin with the you're awesome. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you, bro. How long have you been trading for? 3 years, chat. 3 years, bro. Chat. You know what I've seen, bro? There's day traders on the app, on TikTok or wherever that are my age. They ask me how long I've been trading for. 7 years, bro. 8 years. What? You're telling me you were looking at the market, trading it, fucking trying to find a strategy when you were 14? Damn. Props to you. I mean, shit, if they're not lying, chat, props to them. How old are you? I'm 22, chat. 22. When our inversion. I mean, I see that, but like the next hour just opened and dumped. Bro, how low do we need to go? I'm 22, chat. 22. I was playing 2K when I was 14. No cap, bro. I was trying to ask my mom for money for school so I could buy chips during lunch when I was 14, bro. I was not worried about the whole fucking market. S&P has tanked today, yeah. What trade we were talking about earlier that you took early into open this week? Fuck, I don't want to scroll, bro. When did we take that trade, chat? That generational long that like ran for like an hour and a half? Was it Tuesday? I think it was Tuesday. Look at Tuesday market open. Tuesday market open. Yeah, it was Tuesday. Bro, these candles are not giving us any wicks. Look at this 15. Holy fucking shit. GG's for the day. Hey, I mean, we're getting random spikes of volatility, so shit. Anything can happen here, bro. GG's for the day. We'll see. I don't think so, though. No trades for me yet. Me either, chat. Me either. Chat, let's relax. Let's wait for price to do its thing. And then We'll take an entry if you find something. If we don't take any, if we don't find anything, that's totally fine. Everyone been looking for reversals or what? I mean, kinda. Do we take shorts right now based on hopes? Definitely not, bro. Definitely not. Chad, I'm thinking of buying I'm gonna buy a camera this weekend, but I don't know what camera to buy. I'm like, I need a camera that's good for streaming and is also good for like vlogging and like doing YouTube videos for you guys. If anyone can recommend me a good camera, let me know. I was thinking of getting the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or something like that for stream and for vlogging, but I don't know. BBC Bazooka 550. DJI Osmo Goated, really, chat? What do you stream with right now? My phone, chat. I stream with my phone. My phone is my camera. Isn't that insane? Isn't that insane? Miss Shorts taking my sis to school. It's all good, bro. It's a little sis, chat. You can't be mad about little sis. Lots of famous YouTubers use iPhone. I mean, bro, the quality is insane, chat. The quality is good. Please don't get a G7X. I've heard about the G7X. What's so bad about it? What's so bad about it? Overrated for the price? For stream, no. Vlogging, yes. I mean, chat, seems like you guys are camera connoisseurs. So if you guys can let me know which camera is good, I would appreciate it. I would appreciate it. But then at the same time, I don't know if I should be buying an expensive camera now, because my background isn't even that good. So the camera doesn't really need to capture anything but my face. Obviously, when I move out this year, I'll have like I'll probably have like a view to the city or something. That's when I'll need a good camera. So I was thinking maybe just a DJI Osmo right now to kind of focus on the vlogging side of it, because the streaming camera is I mean, the camera's gonna be good for streams. And then once I move out, I can get like a stationary camera that I just put there and I don't move. Catch these shorts? No. Go long? No. Relax, chat. Relax. Robinho, what up? TikTok Live hasn't been working? Chad, is my TikTok Live not working? Damn, that 1 minute gap held. Get a vlog and a stream camera? Should I? But if I can find one that can do both, why would I need to like have two and then have to worry about charging one? And, I don't know. You're real skinny, yes, sir. Insta360? Ace Pro. Isn't the Insta360 the one that snowboarders use to like capture their entire view? Insta360 something Pro? What was it? Ace Pro. Oh, never mind. I'm tripping. It is $300. Are you sure that's gonna be a good camera? It's $300. I'm not saying that since it's expensive, it's gonna be good, but no Diddy. Where do you live? You didn't have to say no Diddy, bro. I live in California. AI integrated into it? Oh. Thought about getting the clue bindings. No, I don't have them. Are those the clip-ons? I don't have those. Osmo Pocket 3 is good, trust. It's 7 in Cali. Yes, 721. Reason why I didn't take this trade, chat. I mean, it should be self-explanatory. It should be self-explanatory. Hold on now. If we tap into this IVG and hold that 1 minute gap, I'm not going to enter, but I'm going to see how price reacts to it. Mark out that IVG. I don't mind giving this a stab, chat. I don't mind giving this a stab. I'm only in with 2 contracts, and if I like the way it's moving, I'll pyramid up. I'll pyramid up, meaning I'll add more. I'll add more. I like that reaction we got off that 1 minute IVG, and I like that reaction that we got off that 1 minute gap. Apart from the fact that we already got an inverse. Bearish for rallying up. This candle should deliver us higher, though. If this candle doesn't deliver us higher, then this trade might be GG's. I mean, the movement deeper into this 5 minute is where I definitely have to go break even. I need this to deliver now, though. At least close bullish. If we close bullish, we should be fine. How's you guys doing? How's this gonna close? Oh hell no, horrible close. Yeah, I mean, if people get internal highs, I'll just go break even. I need more water, man. Let me see if I have more water in the fridge. Just a retrace to that IVG, chat. Just a retrace to that IVG. You really like this trade? I see the potential in the trade, which is why I only enter with 2 contracts. I see the potential. Yeah. What are you trading? NASDAQ smoking that gas pack, chat. Thank you. Nice close here. Nice close here. We're going the wrong way in Q. ES looks like it wants to pump. NQ is just not really doing that. Equal highs here as well. I'm liking this reaction so far. At these highs, I'm not putting stops to break even. I'm just moving it to these lows that NQ just created, which are here. Bro, what is that? This candle IVG shit looks so nasty. I'm moving stops here. If we get a move past those highs, let's give us one last pump. NQ. There you go. Swept internal highs, chat. I gotta put stops here now. I gotta put stops here now. Protecting my position. ES also has equal highs. Oh no, those got swept. Does this look good enough for me to pyramid into this trade? Not really, especially after this candle closure. Holy fucking reaction. Thank God we moved stops, chat. Thank God we moved stops. Look at gold. Why? Is gold dumping, chat? Is gold dumping? Yes, we're definitely getting stop, chat. Feels like I'm trading Asia. Why? Oh, because of the chop? Yeah. We minimize risk on this trade, which is good. So I don't think we're losing more than like $100, which is amazing. That's a crazy take though. The fact that we swept internals and didn't sweep that high up there. All right, chat. Really minimal loss. We'll see what Price wants to do here now, chat. Yeah, I'm gonna just sit out, or I'm gonna wait to see what we can get. Cause right now, price is not pricing. Trading is not trading. Damn, that's a crazy candle. That is a crazy candle. Any trades unk. Chat, I'm not unk. That was a crazy trade. Yeah, yesterday's trade was insane, chat. Yesterday's trade was insane. Do you always wait for 5 and 15-minute inversions? Chat, I don't trade 5 and 15-minute inversions. My entries are most of the time on the 1 minute. What happened to gold? I don't know. Gold going nuts? Why is everyone spamming gold, bro? What is wrong with gold? Damn. Anyone that entered gold shorts are banking. There, chat. We saw what was going on with gold. We might want to get a resweep of these lows now. If we do, we'll see how price reacts to it. ES already took those lows, so we technically have an SMT now. Chart colors, my chart colors are in my Discord, bro. Discord is completely free, by the way. Chat, do not forget to drop a follow if you guys are new. We are live every single day of the week, chat. ¿Qué estás esperando? Una mejor entrada. Name of the indicator that marks out the high and lows of the session. ICT, kill zones, and pivots. You're low-key not niche anymore? What does that even mean? I see a lot of people say that. What does niche mean? How old are you? I'm 22. Why did gold drop so hard? No idea. I have no idea, chat. Chat, I have a giveaway going on tomorrow on YouTube. If you guys want to be part of the giveaway, you guys must follow me on TikTok and sub to the YouTube. Because I will be picking the winners tomorrow in the live, but on YouTube, not on TikTok. Not on TikTok. Chat, we're low-key growing on YouTube, bro. Before my first stream, I think we were sitting at like 90-something subs. We're almost at 300. What should I do? Sell now or buy? Nothing yet, chat. Wait for price to do its thing. I mean, chat, you guys gotta consider we just dumped all these points. The main reason why I like this trade was because of the potential that we could have got from this entry. This could have been simply a retrace to equilibrium could have gave us a, let me see where equilibrium is at to begin with. Okay. A retrace to equilibrium could have gave us 200 points. Or like 180 points. And I don't mind taking, how much was it? Yes, $100 loss. $120 loss. It gave us an entry and a stop loss for gold. Chat, I don't trade gold. Go look at gold, chat. Oh my gosh. I know, chat. I know. Gold's doing this. I am aware. I don't trade gold in the mornings, chat, at all. I trade my baby Nasdaq, chat. Right now we're in a fight though. Right now, we got a toxic relationship, so we gotta just let things tighten up. Hop off the charts, yeah, low key. Hopping off the charts is not a bad idea. What are we waiting for now? Better price action, bro. Better, just overall better structure. This range that we're in isn't the greatest. Have you seen gold? Chat, I saw gold. Trust me. I saw gold. Did you have a bullish pre-market analysis for today? I was loose bias going into the day. I told the chat that I was loose bias. I was not bullish, and I was not bearish. Do you own Bitcoin? Yes. Bucks, get the fuck out of here, bro. That was some good risk management on our end, chat. That was some really good risk management on our end. Because this would have stopped us out full profit, and I think this would have been like a 300, if not close to $400 loss. So us moving our stops to that low was perfect risk management. What is price doing now? I mean, what else, chat? What else is price doing? What else can price do other than fucking dump? Fuck. Still looking for shorts? I don't know, chat. I'm going based off of the structure that we're seeing. No structure here is showing me shorts. Obviously, we're dumping, but we're not really getting a retrace into higher time frame gaps. We're not getting anything like that. Lost 230? 230 is not a lot, bro. On a funded or on a prop firm, it's not a lot. Yob, yes, I have a Discord. It's a free Discord. It's in my bio. If you get a retrace to previous low, possible short. Previous low. Chat, you guys short at lows and long at highs? Please don't tell me you do. I can take this off. Honestly, I don't see why price would reject here. We have these lows to run. This was a crazy day, chat. This was an insane day. Mm-mm. 30-minute fair value got under new weekly opening gap. You trading NQ during Asia today? Probably, most likely. I'll trade NQ and gold. Why did gold drop that hard? I know, no, chat. I have no idea. I don't know, chat. Sorry if I'm sounding like rude or like out of it, but chat, I've gotten that question 30 million times. I'm sorry, but I have no idea. Today's dead, yeah. Bias? I don't know, chat. There's nothing here that like, I'm not gonna be bearish because of all the points that we've dumped, and I can't be bullish. Like, I can't be anything right now. I gotta wait for internal structure to form and then possibly take an entry off of internal structure. Taking a trade, yeah. I took a long here with a really tight stop. That was my entry. With a really tight stop. I lost $100. $100. There's my entry, then still tried, lost, revenge traded, and won 400, but still could have had. You revenge traded and it went your way, bro. That is like the biggest gamble. And it went your way. Just walk away from the markets today, bro. Bro, like, look, bro, look. is this, man? Why'd go with them? No trades so far? Yeah, we took one trade. This is a gambler's dream. Bro needs sleep? No cap. TradingView isn't canceling my order and I'm up 14,000 on demo. Demo as in paper trading? Are you gonna trade Asia today? Yes, Chad. Yes. I will be trading Asia. I will be trading Asia. We might get a 5-minute gap here. We'll see if we do. We might get a 5-minute gap here. Let's wait and see. We'll be there. Say no more, bro. Appreciate you. You think PM be good? I would not look at PM, chat. If you guys are down on the day, chat, just accept your loss. Tomorrow's a new day. Do not let the trade you took today or the P&L you see today carry on through tomorrow and feel the need to make back that money plus more. And of course, it might just run and it won't even form a gap and we're not even going to retrace and we're not going to get any entries. Yep. Still going, I know. Up 16K, nice. TradingView. Is TradingView not working? TradingView is working, chat. I'm on TradingView as we speak. Yes, chat, I have seen gold. Today's dead. Yeah. Maybe the worst day in January. I mean, bro, this is definitely not the worst day if you guys entered shorts. But yeah. Alex, are you on like a funded or like an account, or is this paper trading? Because if it's paper trading, don't even stress it, bro. Don't even stress it. What graphic are you? You are? What is graphic? What does that mean? Bears waking $1 million, no cap. It's paper? Brother, it's paper. Relax, bro. It's okay. If it was an eval or funded, I would understand. Yeah, that's a strong ass close, chat. We're definitely not gonna get a retracement. Fuck, that's annoying, bro. That is mad annoying. Literally no wick to the upside. Straight fucking dumb. Taking massive shits on the market. It's at 18K? Yeah, it's at 18K, bro, but like you're not benefiting anything from that trade. Take a trade? Yeah, chat. We did take a trade. I took a really light size long here, and I put my stops at these lows. I lost $100, chat. $100. Show trade. There it is. SMT, thank you, or yes. What low do I have marked down? Oh, we do have an SMT here. I think in today's price action, you could have possibly pressed sell at any point in the market, literally anywhere, wherever you have wanted. You could have just pressed sell and you would have made bands. Life for Asia? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Made 1.2K today at 940 to 950. Let's go. Only have 230 more to pass my funded. Lock in, Flacco. Lock in, lock in. Lock in. Waiting SMT and Q to take equal highs. I don't think we're going up there, bro. I don't think we're going up there. Why do you trade Asia? I trade evals during Asia. So I trade my real money, my real capital, all my fundeds during AM session, and then I just trade evals during Asia. I don't mind losing evals. Chat, do not forget to use code Jordy at checkout with every single firm you guys see below my face. Alpha offers the 0 accounts, obviously no activation fees, and no consistency rules. You guys can be funded in one trade. Traderify offers every single thing you can think of, whether it's daily payouts, whether it's weekly payouts, whether it's a regular growth account, straight to funded as well. What else do we have? Lucid, the GOAT of GOATs. Look at their Lucid Blacks, look at their other accounts. Tap into Lucid, and then Apex Chat. If you guys want to be able to buy 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 15, 20 accounts, no other firm offers that but Apex. Obviously, code Jordy at checkout with every single firm. Apex for 20 bucks worth it? I mean, it's not bad, chat. It is not a bad deal. Where can you ever find an eval for 20 bucks? Oh god, you guys are still on that 6-7 shit, chat. This is looking annoying. Now we're gonna form another 5-minute gap here. And we're probably not even gonna get a retracement. Just short? Chat, should I just short? How do you line your goatee? I have a trimmer. So I'm fixing myself. Is ICT patched? What do you mean? No consistency rule on alpha? Not on alpha 0, chat. Not on alpha 0s. Eval. Same strat for golden features? Yes. Any trades today? Yeah. Took $100 loss today. Once Jordy Shorts is gonna go up? No cap, chat. No cap. No cap. Lost 500? Fuck. Should we do an experiment, chat? I don't know why I want to do it. Should we do an experiment to see if you can literally short anywhere in the market and it'll dump? Or should I chill? Lost my eval? Do it? I mean, now it's reversing, chat. Now it's fucking going higher. Chill. Short. Sell. No stop loss. I would do it with one micro, chat. I'm with you. A revenge trade. Chat, it's not revenge trading, chat. It's just for funsies. That is gambling. Yes, you are right, chat. Let me chill. 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 All go shorts, man. Chad, no. Answer my DM. Lewis, on what? Discord or Instagram or TikTok? Have you seen gold? Yes, Chad, I saw gold. Running out that jack. Smoking on his dope. Yo, I don't know why. I don't think I'm able to end my YouTube stream. Oh, there we go. Chat, head over to TikTok. If you guys are on YouTube, head over to TikTok, chat. I'm gonna be on TikTok only. I'm gonna take a shit. This shit's still dumping. Yeah. Want to see if we get some sort of a 5-minute retracement. I'm ending on YouTube, chat. I'm ending on YouTube. All right, boom. Boom.